Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going back into the Amazon tool deals for the week, checking out some of the items that I've found. All of these items will be linked down in the description for you guys with their own independent links, so it's all easy to find. I'll have two additional links called Tools and Tools Continued. Those two links will take you to a long list of items that I've went over in the past or other tools that I suggest, so that's all there for you guys. But these are either going to be tools that are on sale, tools that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or items I find interesting would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. We try to release these Amazon tool deal videos every Friday. So the first item up is going to be the Tekton 40 tool modular wrench organizer set. Just like all of Tekton's organizers, they are made by Ernst, all of them made in the USA, all fantastic. I use a lot of Ernst products and have used multiple others in the past and really enjoyed them. They kind of have an organizer for everybody, whether you're doing mobile stuff or stationary. They have a lot of different designs, but this is one of my favorites that they've released in the last few years. And from Tekton, I don't believe you can get the magnetic ones. It's not necessary, especially if you got these things loaded down. If you have a rubber mat or whatever in your toolbox, they have small little feet in the corners that really dig into that mat. So once weight is on it, it's not going anywhere. But you can get a magnetic version that's just a couple dollars more directly from Ernst. You can also get them in multiple colors, but Tekton offers them in black and red. And you can also get these in multiple different size sets as well. This is just the 40 tool organizer. This one is down to $30 from $35, which I think is a fantastic price for this style of organizer. I actually prefer this one over the toolbox widget, just depending on what drawer you're going to put them in. Toolbox widget has some really good designs as well. If you have a lot of wrenches, these things can get expensive, but it's a fantastic organizer. You can literally adapt it to where it fits from front to back in your toolbox, save you a lot of space while fitting a lot of tools in that designated space. These have lifetime warranty as well, just like basically all of Tekton's products, and is a fantastic warranty. This has 4.7 stars, 333 ratings. If you guys have used these or a similar brand, please let me know your guys' thoughts, but I've really enjoyed them. Next up, we're looking at another Tekton product. This is the 3/8 drive, and this isn't on sale, but this is just something that I wanted to mention recently. A couple weeks ago now, Tekton released their semi-deep or their mid-length sockets, but this is the 3/8 drive, and I believe you can get this in both 6-point and 12-point. They also recently released their stubby sockets, so they'll have their stubby, shallow, mid-length, and deep, so a very wide variety of sockets. I know a lot of people have been waiting for this for quite some time, and I'm really happy to see it. You will start to see not just sets where you can just get the semi-deep. Maybe you already own the Tekton sets and you just want to finish it out with the stubby set or the mid-length, you can do so. Or if you don't have sockets yet, now you can order more sets from Tekton that are going to include these different sizes. So that's going to be a great addition. But this 19-piece set goes from 6mm to 24mm. You know, no skips, lifetime warranty, not on sale, $64. But this being a new product, it doesn't have any reviews yet, and they kind of slowly show up to Amazon. The stubby ones are, as far as I can tell, are not on Amazon yet. Next up, another fantastic product is the Capri Tools 90-tooth long locking flex head ratchets. I have the comfort grip version that are slightly longer than these, which should be back here really soon. Here's the non-flex head version of them, but they do have a locking flex head version with the comfort grip. I think there were some revisions being done. I don't know. I've had that set since they were released, and they've been fantastic. You can get a ton of leverage with these things, and they hold up really well. The locking mechanism is spring-loaded. There's no switch to make it free-floating or anything like that. It's just you push the button, put the head where you want it, release the button, and it locks it in place. That's why I own all different types of ratchets, free-floating, semi-locking, locking, because there's just different situations where one is better than the other. But I think this is a fantastic ratchet set, whether you're going the non-comfort grip like this or the comfort grip when it is re-released. Capri has amazing pricing. There are tons of other ratchets on the market of just the half-inch drive of this length. Other brands cost just this much. I'm not talking tool truck brands. Those will get even higher. other brands out there sell just a single ratchet at this price. So $152 for this 3-piece set of extra long locking flex head ratchets, I think is fantastic. This is the lowest price in 30 days. List price is $170. 90 tooth design, 4-degree arc swing, and Capri also has an amazing warranty. So this has 4.4 stars, 23 ratings. Next up is a WorkPro product. This is their 1/2-inch drive manual impact driver set, hammer impact. I use these a lot on the set screw for rotors or drum brakes in order to break those free. They tend to work really, really well. I don't have this specific one. I have the Tekton one, and I don't know what the other brand of I have, but they are fantastic tools. Very simple tools that just work really well. You can use them in both clockwise and counterclockwise direction. This one I thought was priced really well for everything included. It comes in a nice little EVA foam organizer. You got your 9 short bits over here, a Phillips and slotted in the longer bit as well, and then your bit adapter, and then it's a 1/2-inch drive end, so if you want to throw a socket on there, you can use it that way as well. And you just smack this thing with a hammer, and whichever direction you have it set to, it will slowly impact away. I find that they work really well, so let me know your guys' thoughts. But this one from WorkPro is down to $21.84, down from a $23 typical price, so not a whole lot of savings, but I mean, it's already a really good price for everything that's included. This has 4.8 stars, 9 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the WorkPro mini electric screwdriver with magnetizer. This 36 bits, S2 steel, 2 pry bars. It's a 3.7 volt rechargeable screwdriver, and these are used a lot for small electronics. I love a good little multi-bit precision screwdriver. I have quite a few reviews on different ones that I've picked up, trying out different Amazon ones. There you can see the LED indicators, the direction. Obviously, this is not going to be for breaking loose or tightening, extremely tight fasteners. This is for small precision work, but it's organized really well. You got your 2 little pry bars here for, it's for this set, it's kind of used for disassembling phones, tablets, small electronics, things like that, which it is great for. But I also love having plastic pry tools around for all sorts of things. 175 RPM, fully charged. It says it can remove 410 screws, 350 milliamp hour battery, USB-C rechargeable. There you can see all of the different bits included. If you want to pause and read that, you can. But I thought this was a pretty nice set. I like how it's set up. I'm pretty picky when it comes to my precision screwdriver sets, but I thought this one was pretty cool. There you can see the magnetizer and demagnetizer at the bottom. It's got built-in LEDs. Overall, I think it's a really nice little set, and WorkPro's been releasing some really cool stuff and some pretty affordable stuff too. They got a lot of good hidden gems, but this has 4.4 stars, 107 ratings. Next up is the other WorkPro electric screwdriver that I found. This one is a lot like I bought it at Walmart, Hyper Tough, which surprised me. Extremely affordable, but actually a really nice little precision screwdriver set. And this is very similar to it, but an electric version of it. So this is 20 bits. It also has a magnetizer up here. The hard case is very similar to the Hyper Tough one. I do like that you got some longer bits up here. And this one is at $25 on sale, down from a list price of $36, so some really good savings on this one. And this has 4.9 stars, 26 ratings. The last item up we're going to be looking at this week is the Wurkkos HD05. And if you guys follow the channel, you guys might know that I've done quite a few flashlight reviews, whether that's Robbie Vaughn, Through Night, Wurkkos, Woobin, O-Light. I mean, I have a lot of flashlight reviews, and I actually just picked this one up 3 weeks ago. I've been using it a little bit lately and really enjoying it. I have an older version of this with the dual wing, and it's a little bit larger than this one, but I thought this was a really, really cool design. This has 3100 lumens. It's a 4-in-1 LED rechargeable flashlight with UV, red light, and a wing side light. USB-C rechargeable, IPX6 rated. I have so many flashlights, it's ridiculous. I actually packed quite a few into my camping stuff, but I will have a full review on this here soon, so stay tuned. There you can see the red light is 90 lumens. I like the overall build quality of the Wurkkos lights, as well as the simple function of them. They keep it very simplistic, yet very sleek. I just overall like the design of their lights. The rotating light is really nice. It's magnetic, so you can just kind of pop it wherever you need it. A range of 1,099 feet, so that's pretty impressive. Aviation grade aluminum alloy, 259-hour runtime. That's if you have it basically on like the moonlight mode. There you can see the UV light and the red light, and the wing light and the LEDs. You can change the color temperature as well, which is really nice, so you can have it a warm or a cool light. But once again, I'll have a full review on this. Full price on this is $100. There's a discount code for $30 savings, bringing it down to $70, which I think is a great price for this flashlight. If you're looking for a higher quality, heavy duty flashlight with multiple functions, I think this is a fantastic option. Even not just as a camping light, but as like a work light, whether it's automotive or automotive construction, HVAC, I mean, whatever, you know, all sorts of work. If you're looking for a quality light, this is definitely a brand to consider. They do have tons of other lights, but this is one that I just recently picked up. It is new as well, so this has 5 stars, 2 ratings. But that is it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Once again, all of these items are linked down in the description for you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.